Dear friends, now we are going to solve 7 by 7 Rubik's Cube. Here we need some basic knowledge. That basic knowledge we already learned while solving 3 by 3, 4 by 4 and remaining other Rubik's Cubes. That minimum basic knowledge we required. And here I'll let you know how to solve final 4 centers of the Rubik's Cube. And here are, we know that is 6 centers. You can solve first 2 centers as usual, but there is a small confusion while solving especially last 2 centers. But I will go with remaining 4 centers. First you can solve first 2 centers. After 2 centers we will go for next 4 centers, formation of 4 centers. So already here are the 2 edges were formed already, yellow and left side is red. We go with right side orange and top one is blue color. We go with blue color. These 2 block disturbed, so go back and again with this to form center one. Go back. The other this is the way how to solve now, and come back. Similarly move this one, choose this piece here. Obviously these 2 will disturb. Go turn aside, move this block again. The disturbed pieces will reach to same position. Now the top is blue, already blue is there. One more blue. Keep this piece here and turn, go back. 2 rows were formed. Finally use these 2 faces to form top line. Here is the top one. Turn aside and go back. And again here one top piece is here. Turn aside and go back. And final one is here. This piece will come here, middle one. Turn aside and go back and move this green one here. Don't use this face here because it will disturb, so keep these 2 parallel and move aside and go back. Obviously the disturbed piece will reach original position. Similarly form these 2. Already 2 lines are there. Second line from top. Move this block here. Turn aside and go back. Similarly move this block here and go back. Now keep this row here, so it is disturbed, that is why turn and come back. Only final piece form here. So yes, these 2 pieces are here, so that is why use these 2. Already second one is here. Go back. And here also keep it as a second piece from top and go back. And final piece here, keep it as turn like this and come back and keep aside and go back. Obviously keep these two parallel, don't use this turn because it will disturb. So go back and keep this piece parallel to already existed row, turn this piece and go back. So this is the way to form other centers. So yellow, left is red, top is blue. Now solve orange better. Orange or bottom one is blue, any one, or white, any of these three we can form. So four centers were formed: yellow, blue, red, orange, and finally this bottom piece is green, this piece is white, opposite to yellow. Will form the bottom piece is green and white. How to form green and white? See, already this white piece is there. Better move this piece here, turn aside, go back. Already better to solve these two, and this is also possible. It is top, second one from top. This line is second one from top, and turn aside and move this piece here. Better move this piece here and turn aside, go back. So two centers were formed already. Two lines were formed. Better complete this line. Keep this at bottom place. Turn aside and come back. This will form. This line will form, and keep this piece here instead of here. And move back. Almost all edges were formed, and finally try to solve these two. Complete this middle one, this center piece. Turn this piece here and keep aside. Move this center line here to complete this line, and turn aside and go back. This center line will form again, and simply turn this one. Almost all three lines were formed, and finally try to solve these two. This bottom, and whatever the bottom should form here, keep it at top in adjacent face. Turn this one, move this space here, and this will occupy this place, and come back. Now send this one, but these two will disturb, so that is why better keep aside. Turn this one and go back, turn again. So in this case, better go for green, with green as a main face. Turn aside, turn like this. Keep these positions in this way. Choose these two. Turn this one here. Move this side and move this piece here white, and turn aside, go back. This disturbed piece will coincide each other, and move initial position, and finally these two left in the same way. In this case, solve these two. Better keep it up, because this green will coincide to this line. Move this side, keep aside, and move up. The disturbed piece will reach again and come back, and finally we got only single one. Of course, if we come back, there is a little disturbance, so that is why no problem. Move this piece here and adjust this piece here instead of this. So better move this way and come back. So only these two left, and this is the second piece from top, from bottom, and here also second piece from bottom. Turn aside, move this piece here, go back and go aside, and finally, so we solved all edges, sorry, all centers. After formation of all centers, try to solve these edges and solve last pair of edges. Now all edges were solved already, only final pair of edges left. How to solve these two? Here, see, there is a combination of blue, orange, blue, yellow. Two types of combinations, blue, orange, blue, yellow. We should get two combinations only. That is either yellow, blue or orange, blue. But here is a mixed colors. So that is why apply formula to get only two colors pieces here. Apply one formula. So now before applying the formula is RO R dash F R dash F dash R, and try to make it L shape. That is, we can send these two pieces here, and these two pieces will come here. These two, whatever the pieces replaced by these two, they will go here, and after applying the formula what I have said already, and those two pieces will come here. But there might not be get a conclusion, so that is why U F dash L F. While solving after this, better send these orange blue pieces here, because already there are 3 orange blue pieces. So send this piece here only, single piece, and the replaced piece will come here. So obviously this yellow blue will come here. So apply the formula R U R dash F R dash F dash R and get back. Now 4 pieces, we got 4 pieces, only single piece has to send here. So similarly, now you can make it into L shape, because make it into L shape, but there is no L shape. Get into L shape, apply the formula U F dash L F. Now we got L shape. See here, orange blue, 4 orange blues arms, and apply the formula, and the displaced piece will come here obviously. R U R dash F R dash F dash R, get back. See, we find total coincided pieces here. Sometimes we are unable to get like this way, sometimes. See, maybe here one edge is completely coincided, the other edge is not coincided. Sometimes both the edges we are unable to get a coincided edges as coincided edges. So for in case of that, either in a single case or 2 cases, that means a multi case, consider apply one formula, that is, this is R1, R2, R3, R4, etc. L1, L2, L3. That we learnt already while solving 6x6 Rubik's Cube, and apply the formula. That formula is, this is R1, R2, R3, and here you can apply the formula directly. This is R3. Sometimes these 2 edges might be in same position, that is blue, blue, yellow, yellow. Then you can apply the formula R2. Only R2 is enough. R2 instead of R3, in place of R3 use R2 itself, that is enough. But here these 2 pieces were coincided, that is why don't apply R2, and here apply R3 itself. The formula is R3 U U R3 U U R3 dash U U R3 U U L3 dash U U R3 U U R3 dash U U, and this is the top face, front face. Already in 6, while solving 6 by 6, we have done front face should become top face. This is, but here the top face will become front face. And turn this piece like this and apply the formula r3 dash u r3 dash u and move back this yellow piece. See, we got complete solution. In case, in different cases if possible, and you can apply the formula, instead of r3 you just use r2 r2uu etc. So that's all, and you can solve the remaining completion of the cube just as similar as 3 by 3 Rubik's Cube itself. Consider this is a single piece center piece, and this is a middle piece, and this is another piece like that, and consider it as a 3 by 3 Rubik's Cube and go on to solve. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel.